Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best reviews on home decor and seasonal decorations. Today, we're talking about the Pudate 17-inch Artificial Bittersweet Spray, the best artificial bittersweet that will instantly elevate your autumn and Thanksgiving decorations. This gorgeous 4-pack of fall decor picks is perfect for adding a pop of rich, vibrant color to any space, both indoors and outdoors. With its beautiful bright orange berries and rich autumn hues, this bittersweet spray captures the essence of the fall season. Imagine adorning your wreaths, table centerpieces, or floral arrangements with these delicate sprays that add a rustic charm and a touch of elegance to your home. Whether you're preparing for a cozy Thanksgiving dinner or planning a fall wedding, this product fits seamlessly into any event or setting. Crafted from premium materials, these artificial bittersweet picks are designed to last well beyond the season. The silk material gives them a lifelike texture, ensuring they look fresh and beautiful for years. Their flexibility allows for easy shaping, making them perfect for DIY decorators. Whether you're adding them to a wreath, bouquet, or centerpiece, they bend and mold effortlessly to fit your vision. What makes this product stand out is its versatility. Use it in wreaths, centerpieces, or pair it with other artificial berry picks to create a full, luxurious autumn display. The rich orange and red colors add warmth and coziness to your home or office, creating a welcoming atmosphere for the fall season. The Pudate 17-inch Artificial Bittersweet Spray is not just a decoration, it's an easy way to style your space with minimal effort and maximum impact. It's the perfect way to bring the spirit of autumn into your home or event, whether you're celebrating Thanksgiving, a fall gathering, or simply enjoying the beauty of the season. So, if you're looking for a simple yet elegant way to brighten your home this fall, this is the product you need. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews on home decor and seasonal products. Thanks for watching.